Using color pink, make a magic ring. Chain 1 and work 8 single crochet inside the ring. Pull the end to close the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 4, one more triple crochet in the same stitch, chain 3, and into the next single crochet work 2 triple crochet together. Then chain 3 and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first triple crochet, and then start with the color purple into the first 3 chain space. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet, then chain 5 and 1 single crochet into the next 3 chain space. Chain 5 and repeat until the end of the round. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, then go into the middle of the 5 chain space. Using slip stitches. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet, and into the next 5 chain space work 11 triple crochet. Then go into the next 3 chain space and work a single crochet. And repeat the section to the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then using color green, start the round from the 6th single triple crochet. So into the 6th triple crochet, rejoin the green yarn, chain 1 and work 1 single crochet, then chain 6 and into the next single crochet work 3 double crochet. Chain 6, skip the next 5 triple crochet and into the 6th make 1 single crochet. Chain 6 and repeat until the end of the round. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 3, and into the same stitch work 2 triple crochet, chain 3, and 2 more triple crochet. Then into the next 6 chain space, work 2 double crochet, three half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Then work 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and into the next 6 chain space work 1 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, and 2 double crochet, and repeat the section to the end of the row to complete the square. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first triple crochet using the color pink, chain 2, work 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, then in the 3 chain space corner work 2 double crochet, chain 3, and 2 more double crochet, and then continue with 1 double crochet into each stitch, and in each 3 chain space corner work 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 3, and other 2 double crochet. Close the round with the slip stitch into the first double crochet, and the square is done.